Hello everyone, let's create Break Breaker game. Using Scratch, open the canvas and change the title into Break Breaker. Let's erase this character and choose a new sprite. I want to write the title as a sprite, so I'm going to write Welcome to Break Breaker. Link the character with the center of drawing canvas, and later on you can change its place in the stage. Here you can change the font and the color. We'll go for dark blue. Where's the blue? Okay, I'm going for dark blue. It's up to you. You can choose any color you want. Let's go back to the code. Now what I need is, I want my welcome message to be at the center of the stage. Center of the stage is x0 and y0. What is x and y? I will explain x and y briefly. If this is the stage, x is the line that cuts the stage into two equal parts horizontally, so this is x. Y is the line that cuts the stage into two equal parts vertically, so this is y. And the center of the stage, exactly the center of the stage, is x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So if we go to the right, x will be increasing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. If we go to the left, x will be in a negative value, -1, -2, and so on. If we go up, y is the one who's increasing, and if we go down, y will be in a negative value. What we really need to understand is this point is the center of the stage, and it is equal to x0, y0. What's very good here in Scratch is, wherever I'm moving my character, it will write for me the coordinates of x and y. Where is this character exactly on x and y? And at the same time, it is changing these values in my blocks. First, you put your character where you want it to be, and then take the blocks. I need it always to start on x0, y0. So once I run the green flag, once I start my game, welcome to Break Breaker will come in the center of the stage, x0, y0. But I don't want it to show, so I'm going to use the hide block. Now, it is there in the center of the stage, but it is hidden. I'm not going to show it directly. I'm going to use the ghost effect. Now, what is a ghost effect? I'm going just to put ghost here and ghost here. Let me just put 0 here. Okay, and 0 here. When ghost is 0, character will show. I want my character to start showing on the stage, but step by step, like fading effect. So what I will do is, I will show and I will set ghost effect into 100. It means don't show. Then I will start changing the ghost effect by -1. So every time I run, ghost is 100. and then -1, -1, -1 until ghost is 0. So I need to repeat that 100 times. Or I can go to Control and use repeat block. Instead of me repeating, I will let Scratch repeat. So I will put repeat 100, change ghost effect by -1. Now I will run the green flag and it will be fading in from 100 to 0. So ghost now is 0. I can see my character. One more time. Here it is. Now I wanted to glide as well down. So I will go to motion and I'm going to use this, but first I will glide it down, because once I glide it down here, okay, the values are changing. I don't want x to be 3, I want it to be 0. So let's glide that for 2 seconds. And here we are. Let's add now the title. So I will go for new sprite. I will write Brick Breaker game. Link it to the center and let's go for code. I will put that here. Now, what I always say to my student, it's your game, you are the programmer, you decide. Take the idea from me and be creative. So let's put the green flag and hide that on green flag. Now, on green flag, both will be hidden. Welcome to Brick Breaker. Glide. And now I want my title to appear. I will broadcast a message. Broadcast means send this message to all the sprites. So I'm going to click here and I will go for a new message. I will broadcast welcome. You can give it any name, just let's broadcast a welcome. And I will call this sprite welcome. And I will call this sprite title. Now I will send a welcome message from welcome sprite to title. And I want this sprite to show once it's received that message. So when I receive welcome, show. Or you can use the ghost effect if you like. Now, welcome, glide, broadcast, receive, show. That's it for today.